everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here then hi, my name is Sophie and welcome to my space on the internet. In today's video we are doing this rose gold smoky eye using the Dream Street X Kathleen Light and Colourpop palette. This one here, I've used this once before on my channel, so I'll leave that video linked up there somewhere for you to check out. But without further ado, let's get this makeup look on. Okay, so I've prime lime lid with the Pete Louise base as always, and we're just going to do this soft brown smoky eye and taking the Dream Street palette Kathleen Lights X Colourpop, and I'm going to go into this warm brown shade here, and I'm just going to pat that all over the lid. Just going to take a little pencil brush to get right in that inner corner because my eyes are annoying. I'm just going to blend out the edges of all of that colour. So once the edges are sort of blended out, I'm now going to go into this darker shade here in the palette and just pat that on the outside corner. And then making sure to blend out the edges again. And I'm just going to clean up underneath with a makeup wipe. I'm now going to cut the crease with the Pete Louise base. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go into this top bronze shimmery shade and pack that on, just using a little brush. Now going back in with the dark brown just on the outer corner and blending that in a bit. Okay, so this is what the eyes are looking like so far. I'm going to pop off camera and do the rest of my face, and I'll be back to do the lower lash line. I'm back and I've done the rest of my face. I forgot to mention at the start, yes, I'm wearing a penguin dressing gown. Don't judge. I like penguins. But yeah, let's do the lower lash line. And now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the same colours that we used on the top. So I'm just going to go in with this colour and then this colour right at the outer corner. And yeah, let's put that on my face. So starting off with this one here, taking a little bit, just because I know it's going to be pigmented. I could always just taking a fluffy brush and just blending out those edges. And then going in with a little teeny tiny brush and going in with the darker shade. I'm just going to take that on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Right up close to the lashes. Because it isn't a look without an inner corner highlight, I'm going to go into, I think, this shade here and pop that on my inner corner. Just to make that colour pop even more, I'm going to go with Glazed Donut and pop that again in the inner corner. Yeah, just makes it pop a little bit more. So now I'm going to pop off camera and finish off my makeup, and I'll be back with the finished look. I'm back and I've just popped on some mascara and some lip gloss. The lip gloss is from the same collection with Kathleen Light in the shade Moonchild, and yeah, here we have the finished rose gold smoky eye look. Great for a night out or just going to town like I am now. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. I'd love to have you back here. That was my cat. I'd love to have you back here. My name's Sophie and mwah, have a lovely day.